Welcome to your spinal hygiene routine. This is to be done twice daily. It's like brushing or flossing your teeth. The first exercise is a supine head raise. So you're going to lay on your back, flat on your back, let everything relax. And then you're going to raise your head just about 3 to 5 centimeters off the ground. Don't let your chin come up or tuck. Keep your head in a neutral position. Hold this for 10 seconds and then rest for a moment, just a few seconds. Come up again and hold for another 10 seconds. We're going to go through this entire flow together. Rest once more. You're doing this 3 times. Third set. 10 seconds here. Then we're going to come on to all fours and we are going for cervical rotations. So turning your head left and right 10 times each side. So moving slowly, mindful, intentional movement. Keeping the rest of your spine and body relatively neutral and relaxed. Just go to the end range of the movement. Don't force it. Once you've done 10 each side, come back to neutral. And then we're moving into an exercise called side glides. So you're going to tilt your ear towards your shoulder, about 45 degrees, and move up and down in a flexion and extension movement, just as if you're saying yes, nodding here, and you're going to go through that 10 times each side. Back to neutral. Make sure that your body's remaining neutral, even weight through your hands and your knees, tilting 45 degrees the other way, moving up and down for 10 repetitions. Not too fast, a nice controlled movement, coming back to neutral, and then we're going to go into Thoracic Spine Rotation. So again, on all fours, place your hand behind your head, on the back of your head there. You're going to start elbow to elbow. Again, make sure the rest of your spine is relatively neutral. You don't want your bum sticking up or too arched through your lower back. Come to a neutral position and we're opening up just as far as you comfortably can. And you're going to go for 10 of these on each side. As always, controlled movement. Slower is better than going too fast. Come back to neutral, reset your posture there. Hand on the back of your head, elbow to elbow. And 10 on this side as well. This next exercise is called a Spinal Wave. So it pays to almost think like a dog wagging their tail. So again, we're in that neutral position on all fours, and you're going to bring your ear towards your shoulder and your tailbone around towards your ear so that you are creating a C shape with your spine, and then over to the other side. So just wagging the tail like a dog, or a wave moving through your spine. So move to each side 10 times, and you can, once you coordinate this, speed it up a little. Just make sure that your head remains in a neutral position and you're not coming down here or up here, keeping your spine neutral. 10 each side. Next exercise is a relatively well-known one, cat-camel, or otherwise known as cat-cow. So you're going to be on all fours again, starting with a neutral posture, and we're going to move into flexion, so tucking your chin and tucking your tailbone towards one another, arching through your middle back, and then moving into the opposite extension, sticking your tailbone up, looking up to the ceiling, and moving through this 10 times. And if you can, coordinate your breath with it. So breathe in as you extend and breathing out into flexion. Inhale, exhale. And then back to neutral. Again, moving nice and slowly there. The final exercise is called gaze stabilisation. This exercise is unlike the other ones, which are about getting your joints and muscles and structural system moving. This is more of a neurological exercise for the tracking of your eyes. So you're going to focus your gaze on your thumbnail, and you're going to bring your thumb up just behind your shoulder, up about 45 degrees, and then follow it back down. So the idea is that your eyes stay fixated, your gaze stays fixated on your thumbnail. You can turn your head to follow, but always follow with your eyes. You're going to go 10 reps each side. If you are finding that this makes you nauseous or your vision starts to play up, then slow down. Only go as fast as your gaze can stay focused on. You might need to go this slow, but it is ideal to begin to work up to be able to move that little bit faster. So 10 each side. Again, this is a neurological exercise. Great for your brain health. And that is your spinal hygiene routine.